Hey there, video creators! Are you ready to have your mind blown by the incredible power of AI in video production? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the world of AI tools that are revolutionizing the way we create content. AI-powered video editing. Imagine having a super smart robot assistant that never gets tired or complains about working overtime. AI-powered video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro can automate tedious tasks that used to make you want to pull your hair out. These tools can magically organize your footage, suggest the perfect cuts, and add transitions that would make Michael Bay jealous. Automating subtitles and transcriptions. Struggling with adding subtitles? Tools like Descript and Otter.ai can transcribe your audio faster than you can say supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Not only does this make your content more accessible, but it also boosts engagement and helps with SEO. It's like having a secret cheat code for YouTube success. Enhancing visuals and sound quality. Recorded a video that looked like it was shot with a potato? Fear not! Apps like Topaz Video Enhance AI can turn blurry, grainy videos into crisp, cinematic masterpieces. And AI-driven audio tools like Auphonic can eliminate background noise, making your audio crystal clear. Real-world impact of AI tools. AI tools level the playing field for creators of all sizes. With these tools, even a small YouTube channel can produce content that looks and sounds professionally made. This means you can focus on creating engaging content that your audience will love. Creativity and AI, the perfect partnership. Worried AI will take away the creativity? Absolutely not. AI tools give you more freedom to be creative. Instead of spending hours on technical tasks, you can focus on crafting compelling stories and experimenting with new formats.